everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create watercolour rainbows 3 ways. Now I think these are a great gift for this time of year, possibly for Christmas, especially if you've got somebody that works in the NHS after the year we've had, or you might just want to do one for your bedroom or to give to somebody as your family as just a nice personalised gift to them, because you can personalise these with your own little ideas towards the end. So watch this video if you want to learn how to make one. So first of all, what you're going to need is some paper, ideally watercolour paper, some water that I've got in my favourite flamingo mug that you can see, watercolours of course, and some kitchen towel just for you to wipe your brush or clean any spillages. A paintbrush, it's up to you which paintbrush. I've got a couple of square tip paintbrushes here, but round paintbrushes will also work fine. I'll show you how to do a rainbow with one of those as well. Now my watercolours, as you can see, they're not anything special. These are just the specialist craft ones that we have at school, but you can get lots of different watercolour palettes off Amazon, or even down your local shops quite cheap. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to start mixing your colours together with plenty of water. You can't have too much water in this tutorial, so watercolour paints, they do require a lot of water if you want it to flow across the page easier. Now you will lose the pigment in your paint towards the end of your brush strokes, but that's fine because with the water you can just go back in and almost paint or draw over it. Okay, you want to think of this as a drawing. So I'm just going to draw on a nice curved line with my paintbrush, and because I've got plenty of water, my paintbrush glides across the page easier. And then I'm just going to work my way out through the colour wheel, but as I work my way out I must leave a gap between each brush stroke, otherwise the paints will flood together and the colours won't be separate. So as I work my way out, I'm just going to blend in different colours to work my way gradually through the whole colour spectrum. So now I'm going to blend in some blue to create more of a violet tone, which I'll paint on, and then I'll gradually go into blue, and then I'll blend some green in to make a teal. Now do this slowly because you want to make sure you get it neat, and you can always go back in, remember, once you've painted on your rainbow lines, to add a bit of extra colour, which is what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to work my way throughout the colour wheel to fill the whole page, and I'll show you that once it's been done. So the next rainbow that I'm going to show you doesn't take up the whole page, and I'm just going to be using harmonious colours for this one. So I've decided to use blues because I've got a room that I want this to go in, and I know it'll go really well with that colour scheme, but you could do it in any colours that you like. And the last rainbow that I'm going to show you is using my round edge paintbrush. So if you only have round edge paintbrushes, that is absolutely fine. The most important thing is your water. Okay, so keep adding water, and you can do this with any paintbrush really. So now I've finished my 3 different rainbows, you might now go in with a pen and personalise these if you want to. So because of this year, and I'm going to give this as a gift for Christmas, I'm personalising this one with a thank you NHS hashtag. But you could do dots, lines, it's completely up to you. Once you've done personalising your rainbows, why not frame them and give them as a gift to somebody? They really do look fab, and they're a great print to have in any room. So that's the end of my tutorial, guys. Go and have a go, and remember to tag me in your outcomes over on Instagram. Thank you for watching.